Hello everybody, welcome back again to see me in this official channel of cooking. And right now we're gonna bring you guys to see what recipe that is the kind of stir fry. But you guys gonna be see this pot. Yeah, it's not kind of the soup, but it's just only the processed one in the stir fries. Yes, that's gonna be called pig ears and Khmer cheese stir fry. It seems like similar to the curry broth also. Everybody seems like just only similar. And about the pork or bacon instead to be here is the pig ear. For sure, this kind of the pig ear and Khmer cheese stir fry. And let's see all kind of the vegetable and also another ingredient that's going to be made to be in here. This. So let's see. About this is banana flour, just only the fresh vegetable, another small radish, okra, eggplant brown, carrot, also shallot, chili, or with this is the neem tree leaf, and this is water spinach. Kind of here is the pig ear, and this is the plate of the crockery, such as here is the Khmer cheese, boneless Khmer cheese, sugar, red pepper powder, another lemongrass, those blend with the garlic and also with turmeric, so the color is really nice, lemongrass, Knorr, oil, and garlic. So about this hot pot, it's gonna be hot boiling the waters in there. That it, of course, adding some Knorr and some sugar in. Also, everybody that's gonna be thoughtful in the middle of this pig ear, adding the lemongrass and gonna be boiling it around 20 minutes. So the ear gonna be rice, also rice and well cooked. Also, everybody. So after it's become well cooked 20 minutes, that's gonna be easy to slice and also chopping it a bit into a bit small one and take it out and stir fry with the Khmer cheese, adding another crockery, so the colors of it is really nice. Gonna be see that mixing of yellows and red, adding with that chili, Khmer cheese in there, so really bad smell ever, spicy, salty, sweetie, so yummy for this. And about this vegetable, gonna be add to be the fresh one or eating with the pig ears and the Khmer cheese only, everybody that stir fry. So for this, it's not difficult to stir fry with the pig ear, just only the pig ears and also with the Khmer cheese, that's mixing and stir frying it to each other. So everybody, don't waste more. Let's move, seeing our process. So, gonna be boiling the water. Prepares about this is the lemongrass that gonna be boiling with. So, wow, that is boiling down right now. That's gonna be easy to topping whilst boiling it. Moving on with here is garlic. So, gonna be chopping. All good. So for chili, and that is for chili, is gonna be being whole of this, not cutting. We'll prepare another vegetable more. Because water is boiled, so I'm gonna be adding the crockery, such as here is Knorr, just a half of this spoon, sugar half of the spoon, and finally gonna be adding the lemongrass, popping in. So don't waste more. Let me fill this pig ear. So refill the pig ears in and also keep coverage and move to waiting for 20 minutes. So after refill the pig ear into hot pot, let's slice in carrot. So for shallot, just only being slicing everybody. Wow, that is a bit hot boiling water. For this, I slicing to be small thinner. And for this shallot gonna be stir fries at the same time of garlic. And we'll prepare another vegetable next also. Like this is the small radish. Oh, sorry, that is the eggplant round, small eggplant round. Move to small radish. Small radish just only slice. So waiting for the pig ear is become well cooked and stir frying it. So right now everybody, let's see this pig ear that boiling around 20 minutes. That is well cooked and taking out and also slicing, chopping it a bit. So let's slicing. So this part I keep it and another gonna be chopping. So right now gonna let stir frying with me. Everybody, after heat up this skillet, adding oil, shallot and also chili in. Stir fry it a bit. This is a red pepper powder because I want it to be really nice color for the food recipe. Lemongrass. So it is good enough smell. Adding this Khmer cheese in. Stirring it and also adding some sugar. Because Khmer cheese is a bit salty, so needs really to be some like in the best balance of it. So right now adding this pig ear in. So right now let's see about it turn to be the colors a bit yellow. So I'm gonna keep simmer it around 5 minutes more. So everybody, after 2 minutes or 3 minutes out there, yes, it is really good coloring and it tastes really nice right now. So I think that is one need to keep more. Gonna be take it up and toppings on the vegetable. So everybody, let's moving on. So guys, right now there's pig ears and also Khmer cheese stir frying is all done right now, and this is in the middle, and the surrounding is from the fresh vegetable that are decorated to be here. Like this is carrot, eggplant, this is small radish, banana flower, water spinach, this is water lily and neem tree. Everybody. So those gonna be really fresh vegetable. One is gonna be eating with the Khmer cheese stir frying, really yummy also. And this is salty, sweety, and also spicy, everybody. And this is my steam fry that we're prepared all done. That's gonna be tasting with this Khmer cheese for sure. That is really yummy and also gonna be eating until that is licking finger licking. Yeah. So everybody, don't wait more. Let's moving on testing. Okay, first of all, gonna refill the rice in. That is really good. I need about the serving rice, gonna eating bit, and especially about the vegetable. About it is salty and sweety and the bubble and also adding chili spicy more. Okay, and about the smell is so nice from shallot and also lemongrass and one more thing from Khmer cheese that really sick taste and sick smell one. Oh, yummy. Probably food recipe is kind of my favorite food also. That's why I mention this to everyone, because I really want everyone enjoy this taste and also try it if you never try. It is my local food one. So yummy. And let's see about the vegetable. That is my local vegetable also, that is really easy in finding out, and the fresh, and then just only stir fry and cut it from that garden and from that plant, and then taste it. So really enjoy, and I hope everyone can enjoy this also. Don't forget to supporting me if you enjoy by click like, and one more thing is subscribe. That easy to keep ready for next recipes. See you guys next. Bye bye.